the Milken Educator Award lets teachers know that we appreciate what they're doing.
Think for a moment of all your favorite teachers. Maybe it's here at Winfield Middle. Maybe it was elementary. Those good teachers make a difference. One of the best teachers in the entire country is here in your school. Would you want someone from the Milken Foundation to come and present $2,500 to a great teacher if you could?
Yes.
I think just a few minutes ago I said this is one of the best teachers in the entire country. Did I say that?
Yeah.
So Superintendent Payne, could you find one more zero? The Milken Educator Award goes to Erica Close.
Well, first off, I want to say thank you to the Milken Foundation. This is amazing. And thank you all for coming today. And congratulations on pulling off the biggest surprise ever. This is the very best middle school in the state. I believe it's the best middle school in the country. Go ahead, clap for yourself. Thank you to you all for your support and for loving each other, and for taking good care of each other and taking good care of our children. And I just want to say again, thank you to the Milken Foundation for elevating teaching to where I always believe it should be. And I believe that everybody in here is a rock star teacher, and it is a wonderful place to be. And I'm just thankful to be a part of this community of teachers.
The young lady who got the award today, she is just wonderful, and the children love her, and it was a very good selection.
I can remember the day that I received my award, my check, the recognition, and it has opened numerous doors in my career since 1995.
Guess what? I just won, I was just named a Milken Educator, and it comes with a $25,000 award. I'm not kidding. Yes, and like everybody is here at that big assembly I was telling you about. It's for me. The big assembly I told you how our senator was coming, all that kind of stuff. Yes, it's for me.